The beginning, we're really like skeptic on like, is this just another widget on our website? And is it another place where customers can go and have a chatbot situation? We tested out the HubSpot chatbot and we tried that for about a month and a half. By the end of that experience, we were like, enough. The amount of bot traffic that was coming in, the amount of terrible questions, the quality of conversation was not there. And we decided to turn this off. And once we put knock in, guess what? Conversations started to happen. Customers started to choose that over a demo request, and people are actually wanting to come in and have meaningful conversations about pricing, about product, how can it best fit their solution. We're like, there's no way that just the interface is going to change. Even like our founder was like, no way, it's just going to be the same. And I'm telling you, it was like the first like week after we put knock, we had like very sizable organizations, enterprise come in and describe their problem, be able to come in and be able to start to say, can you tell me about this pricing concern? How is this going to work for my use case? You'd be surprised how many people will just come in and go, whoa, like this is really cool. Like I could just come and Slack you and get my questions answered. We went from being skeptic to fully bought in and will be not customers for a long time. Save the time of trying out a HubSpot widget and just go with knock because we've already done the experiment for you. It would be a no-brainer to try it out.